Welcome back to Tea of the Week. Today we're highlighting organic sweet matcha. This matcha is crafted with premium Japanese matcha and organic cane sugar. Organic cane sugar is what sweetens this blend. It is derived from naturally grown sugarcane, which offers a healthy alternative to refined sugars. Organic cane sugar retains more natural minerals like calcium and iron. Its less processed form helps in maintaining a balanced metabolism while providing a clean, sweet taste. Organic premium matcha is a green tea powder that boosts energy and metabolism without caffeine jitters. Matcha is also high in antioxidants and promotes calm focus. The l-theanine in matcha, which is an amino acid, can help reduce stress, calm anxiety, and improve mental clarity. Whether you're just getting to tea, are looking for a clean caffeine option, or already a matcha enthusiast, organic sweet matcha is delicious and already a little sweet. This matcha is ideal for lattes, smoothies, and baked goods. Create endless drink recipes and goodies with organic sweet matcha.